Welcome to our comprehensive SmartPanics training course. This course is your complete guide to understanding and effectively utilizing SmartPanics, enabling you to offer and support this valuable service with confidence. Here's the agenda for today. What is SmartPanics? User interface, SmartPanics module. User interface, SmartPanics app. Installation and setup. App configuration. Graphic customization. Bluetooth button integration and shortcuts. Integration with CRM module. Landing page. SmartPanics signature. And country safe. Let's get started.